This is a tour of room 8036, a deluxe Oceanview veranda room on the Disney Wish. So walking in here, we have our bed, and this was a Princess and the Frog themed room. And here's our TV. And then we have the sofa bed right here, along with this dresser area. And in the drawer, you have a pen and some postcards along with some letterhead to write on. This drawer holds the hair dryer, and it also has a heat tool mat. And then there's more storage below that. And then here we have the fridge. So there's plenty of storage above as well. And this is the pull down bed. And then when you walk out right here, keep in mind there is a lock on the top right that you have to unlock when you want to start using your veranda. So on deck 8, we had a great view. So this is our view in port at Port Canaveral. So this was a good sized room. It was just me and my husband in this room, 2 adults, and it was the perfect size for us. There's plenty of outlets and USB ports on both sides of the bed. They even have an international adapter area right there for a European plug. And here we have the shower. It's nice that they have the shower separate from the toilet. So they provide you plenty of towels. The shower was nice. It had plenty of hot water, and it had a good amount of water pressure as well. So these were some nice high quality soaps. They also provide you with the lotion, and there are 2 towel hangers in the bathroom. Then here we have the closet space. This is an area to hang your shirts, and then on this side you can hang your pants. And there's storage between those 2 closets as well, along with the safe. And here is the toilet. So we really liked our room 8036. It was near the elevators on the forward side of the ship. It was on the port side of the ship as well, on the left side when you're looking at it to book. And on deck 8, we were very close to the laundry, which was nice. So here are the elevators really close to our room, along with the laundry area. So this was super convenient to use after we did 4 days at Disney, and then we did our Disney Wish cruise. So we were able to go right over to the laundry and get our clothes ready for the cruise part of our trip. And then here is the view of when you're in port at Castaway Key. So you don't get to see the island side where you'll be hanging out on the beach at, but you do get to see this side, and it's still a really nice view. The last thing I'll mention is that there wasn't a whole lot of rockiness on our side of the boat. The only time there was slight rockiness was on the very last night, and that was going from Castaway Key back to Port Canaveral. So overall, I would recommend room 8036.